Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from your KuCoin account to your Trustwallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First thing, you need to log in into your KuCoin account, and once you're logged into your account, click on the wallet tab in the top right corner. Once you're directed to this page, you need to click on withdraw in the top right. As you click on withdraw, you'll be directed to the withdrawal page, and on this interface you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. And after you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, next thing you also need to enter the amount or the total amount that you want to transfer it to your Trust Wallet account, and then you also need to enter a remark, and after that you need to enter the wallet address, and after that you need to select the network type, and then you need to enter the amount. Once you're done entering the amount, tap on confirm, and after that, in order to confirm, once again you need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about the information provided, then tap on confirm. And that is how you can transfer cryptos from your KuCoin account to your Trust Wallet. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.